I think I made a lot of mistakes, didn't I? All right, gentlemen. Hopefully everyone's having a great week. I've been getting a lot of questions lately. One of my buddies has been buying a shed of his own. So yeah, we're doing a shed video. I'm very pleased with what I purchased for my shop, for my shed. It's been, I have the date right here, March 2nd, 2021. So about 2 years now I had my shed here. I kind of moved everything around.
Apple Watch only goes out 7 days.
My Apple Watch is talking to me. But yeah, a shed is a living, breathing thing. It changes with you, it grows with you. I've redone everything probably 4 times so far, and I'll probably redo everything another 100 times before I'm happy with it. But yeah, just want to kind of go over everything and what I'm happy with, what I'll do differently. So if you're looking to purchase a shed in the future, just different things to do, different things to look out for. I mean, this is my own personal preference, but yeah. So without further ado, I purchased my shed from Raber Storage Barns in Indiana, and they've been nothing but fantastic. I've been dealing with a gentleman named Luke Gorski, and he's been great. I've been a thorn in his side, I'm sure. I've been a pain in his butt. When I purchased this, I was emailing him probably 2-3 times a day, just going over different things, different setups. You know, I want this, I want that. Never mind, I changed my mind, I want this. Never mind, I changed my mind. So he's been nothing but a saint. So yeah, Luke Gorski, I don't know if he's with the company anymore or anything, but yeah, Raber Storage Barns in Indiana. And I'm in northern Indiana, and they've been great to me. They delivered outside their realm. They were much cheaper than the local barn builders by me. This is all Amish. I'm on the outskirts of Amish territory, so I know all these barns are built by the same couple, Amish builders. So yeah, yeah, they delivered outside their territory. It was fantastic. When they delivered the shed, it's 24 by 12, I think, something like that. But yeah, anyways, it was a muddy mess. It was March, the great thaw 2 years ago. You guys know Indiana, how we get the freeze and thaw. But yeah, I don't know how we delivered it. It was perfect. He was in and out in probably 10-15 minutes. Put it right where I want it. I had everything staked out. It was perfect. And he was in and out in no time. It was fantastic. The guy was a pro. So yeah, Raber Storage Barns. And yeah, here's a little tour of what I've done so far. And like I said, we'll probably do things differently 100 times before we're all said and done. It's a living, breathing creature, your shed. And I'm sure if you're watching this, you're a male watching this, and you know exactly what I mean. So come on, let's check it out. All right, gentlemen, and welcome. I guess we'll start right outside the front door here. And yeah, like I said, Raber Storage Barns. You know, I'm not getting paid for this at all, but these guys were great. Fantastic company. Very, very quick. Great with communication and so forth. So yeah, just going over a couple things I like and don't like about my shed. Right off the bat, I picked for the front white doors. Why did I pick white? I went for the, I don't want wood. These are the fiberglass doors. I don't want these to sag or anything, but yeah, I wish I didn't pick white. 2 years, you can kind of see a lot of staining in the doors. And yeah, that was not a good choice. Secondly is security. This little clock here, so far it's been good. I do have cameras in here, and I do make it known that cameras are in here. But yeah, this little lock leaves more to be desired. Same thing with the hinges. It's very windy where I live, and a lot of times these have blown open, And a couple of these are bent. And I know these stops here are to kind of make it so these hinges do not get bent, but yeah, it doesn't always work that way. So yeah, that could definitely be upgraded. And I'm sure you guys kind of saw where I'm stepping in. This is going to be addressed here in the next couple weeks, is the footprint in front of the shed. I'm in and out of here probably 2 or 3 times a day. And right here, grass cannot take root. This is getting flooded. It's a muddy mess. So I'm going to build a little perch here out of wood and kind of make a little tiny deck here just to kind of help mitigate this. Moving to the side of the shed. I guess I'll talk about my electric. Oh gosh, hopefully no one from OSHA is watching this, but yeah, I did my own electric from the house. The shed is not too far away from the house, so I was able to run power to it. I did a quote from an electric company. It was probably $5,000, about the same price as the shed to properly run power from the house to the shed. So I ran an extension cord to this little boat dongle and plug an extension cord into here. So yeah, it works. It does the job, and I love it for for what I do. I'm not doing any big heavy power things. Secondly, boy, what's missing here? We see a roof and a lack of gutters. Boom. No gutters. Yeah, I'm gonna have to add that. This is a muddy mess in the spring. In the summer, I like to do some landscaping around here, but I can't because it's oh boy, it's a muddy mess. Everything from the roof that I love, it's fantastic, it's great, but everything runs right off and puddles up on the side of the shed. And the back too. So yeah, that's something I like to do differently. The color of the shed I like. It's not too bad. I mean, it does get dirty with the mud and whatnot, but it's not terrible. I can't complain. All right, gentlemen, we moved on inside. This is where the meat is at. And I've probably redone this probably 5 times. I do have a couple workbenches here, and I bought these. These were $150 at Menards, if you're from the Midwest. It's pre-built basically, just, screw your wood together and boom. I like it. It was easy. A little bit of pegboard. Again, I probably redone this a couple times. I have my firearms here, tools that I always reach for, and whatnot. This is probably my favorite purchase for my screws, my nuts and bolts. This was $300, I believe. It came via freight from Amazon. And yeah, I finally have everything I need. I have everything organized. If I need a screw, a nut, or bolt, it's my little store basically right here. So if I don't have it, yeah, there's a problem. I have my workbenches, my tool chest from Sears. Love it. My little desk here that I use for projects, tiny projects, my lantern. I love this little thing. When it gets dark in here, I mean, a little bit of fire really livens up the place. My TV, we have the dock on, and I have my holiday stuff. This has been the bane of my existence, the holiday stuff. I am really thinking about buying another shed just for this. What is this, 10 feet wide by 4 foot deep? So we have about 40 square feet just of holiday stuff here. And I remember my old shed, this was all I had, was holiday stuff, and on the top, in the loft, all stuff I want to save. So yeah, everything adds up. It's a lot of space, it's a lot of work, but yeah, hopefully, you guys let me know if you have any questions or comments. Raber Storage Barns in Indiana. They delivered outside of my property, and they're fantastic. I love them. Luke Gorski was the guy I dealt with, and he's been nothing but a saint. He worked with me, dealt with me. So yeah. Like I said, we're 2 years in only, and there's still a lot of things I want to do. I want to change and do differently. So yeah. Be prepared. I mean, it's your little man cave, not to be not to give any of those quotes or anything, but it's a lot of work. I mean, we have up here, upstairs, we have down here, and when you picture something in your mind, when I pictured this shed before I bought it, it was a lot different. I always pictured everything to be a lot bigger. I pictured stairs going up to the loft and whatnot, but things are never the way it seems in your dreams. So just take it from me. Just trying to be educational and help everyone out. So enjoy your shed. Spring is coming, summer's coming. Get your little retreat away from your wife, from your kids, and have fun with your toys. All right, guys.